Solve x cubed plus 7x squared is less than or equal to 2x squared minus 6x. Begin by rearranging the inequality so that 0 is on the right side. We do this by subtracting 2x squared and adding 6x to both sides to get x cubed plus 7x squared minus 2x squared plus 6x is less than or equal to 0. Then, combine like terms to yield x cubed plus 5x squared plus 6x is less than or equal to 0. Find the real zeros by solving x cubed plus 5x squared plus 6x is equal to 0. Factor out the x to get x times the quantity x squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Factor the quadratic to get x times the quantity x plus 2 times the quantity x plus 3 is equal to 0. Finally, use the zero product property to determine that x equals 0, or negative 2, or negative 3. Next, we will use the real zeros to separate the real number line into 4 intervals. The intervals are negative infinity to negative 3, negative 3 to negative 2, negative 2 to 0, and 0 to infinity. Select a number in each interval, evaluate f at the number, and determine whether the value of f is positive or negative. If the value of f is positive, all values of f in the interval are positive. If the value is negative, all values of f in the interval are negative. We will start with f of negative 4. F of negative 4 equals negative 8. This is negative. For the next interval, we can choose negative 2.5. F of negative 2.5 is 5/8. This gives a positive value. Next, find f of negative 1, which is negative 2. This value is negative. Finally, find f of 2, which is equal to 40. This value is positive. Notice that for the function, x is negative over the interval negative infinity to negative 3 and the interval negative 2 to 0. So, the solution set is x such that x is less than or equal to negative 3, or x is greater than or equal to negative 2 and less than or equal to 0. In interval notation, this is written as negative infinity to negative 3 inclusive, union negative 2 inclusive to 0 inclusive.